Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're
Stop
all
Royalty
I'm
Icon
on
for your
my way.
luxury high quality mink
Looking in
lashes.
the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on the.
Hey guys, so we're going to be applying Lovely Rose lashes today on my mother. Hi mom.
Hey boo.
And then so let's see how it goes.
Uh-oh. Take two. Toast to a great video with my daughter, Icon TAJI, and I'm Mama Misha.
Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just won the party, call me tequila shawty. We just won the party, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long.
She's definitely my child.
That look in your eyes, you can't hide it.
Hi, I'm Mama Misha. I'm Icon TAJI's mom, here with the Royalty Icon Boutique Luxury Mink Lashes. So we're going to go put those on. Come on, let's go.
Lovely Rose style luxury mink high quality lashes from Royalty_Icon. Look it up on Instagram, babes. Hi guys, so it's Icon. Welcome back, subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Today I'm going to be doing a lash video with my mother.
Hi.
Mama Misha.
That's right.
And we're going to be applying these luxury mink high quality lashes called Lovely Rose for my Instagram boutique. It's called Royalty_Icon. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be in the link below.
That's right.
So yeah, let's get to it.
Let's get started. I'm ready. Let's go.
Hey guys. So we're going to be applying Lovely Rose lashes today on my mother. Hi mom.
Hey boo.
And then so let's see how it goes.
Luxurious Hollywood.
So you want to take your lashes and you want to brush them with this lash brush. You get a free lash brush with each purchase of eyelashes on my Instagram website, Royalty_Icon Boutique. So you want to brush both lashes before applying.
Let's see.
So you want to take some glue and apply it. I'm holding the lash upside down and I'm applying slowly. Alright, so apply the glue. And you just want to sit it down to the side. That's the first pair. This is the second pair I'm picking up. Hold it upside down again.
Oh, that's the second eyelash.
And apply slowly. So you do want to let your lash glue dry for 30 seconds or more. Not a whole minute, but so this is the second lash. So I'm putting the second one down and then moving in with the first one.
Alright, I was ready.
So I'm going to be applying with my lash applicator. You get a free lash applicator with each eyelash purchase along with the lash brush. And you just hold it like this with the lash applicator.
Which eye are you going on?
So I'm going to do this eye first.
Okay.
Let me stand this way. Okay.
You know, the defense that you run here is the old Tampa 2 defense with these safeties have to go, and this guy drops down the middle. What's that John Lynch way did when he was with the Tampa Bay Buccaneers? Very down the middle, I suggest goes to the ground. And down to the 40.
So I can see. Close it again.
Lash 2.
Alright, so now we're going to be applying lash 2. It's all glued up and ready. Put it on the lash applicator. Going to use that to put it on. Wish me luck. Not just
Girl, you better not mess me up.
Alright, let me get blue too. Gotta see where that one started. Your eyes are so small.
I do have little eyes.
That's what caught me by surprise with applying the first one, to be honest. Alright, open it so I can see real quick.
You get your eyes from your dad.
Alright, close them again. I know, big old jeepers.
Ow!
You'll be okay. Close them again.
I'm scared.
Wait.
Oh.
Wait, stop it. trying to apply it to right here. All right, let's see.
All right.
Okay. And it is. Okay, the second one is on there. You just want to prop them up a little bit and just, there we go. Moving on.
Yeah, I know some people fighting. Baby, it's for something real. But the truth that they are hiding.
Okay, so now that Icon TAJI has put on my lashes, I'm ready to go in and do just a little light makeup. Starting off with my MAC foundation and my MAC under eye cream. I am a mature woman, so there are flaws, y'all, but we don't want to recognize them. So we take care of them. Putting on the basics. Oh, and girl, I forgot my foundation. Hold on. So I got some MAC foundation. I also got some Maybelline concealer, so I'm just going to go in. And it does not take me long to put on my makeup.
And just turn this way real quick so they can see the spots. That's good. Now you can go that way. So she's using a beauty blender to blend.
Yes. Child. You gotta blend. Hopefully she speeds this part of the video up so it just be like I'm just going extra fast.
It's going to be speeded up.
Okay.
Tell me what you miss. Is this love that you're showing, or just another misleading play? Is my body electric for reason?
Right here with the MAC foundation. Ooh.
Is there a number color on there?
Yes, this is NC50. I'm sorry.
Got it.
NC50.
And then
This is
turn
Max,
and face the camera before you blend it,
this
just so
is,
you can see the second.
MAC Special Effects foundation. I use the Special Effects.
Okay.
And so, and just in case, a little known fact, if you didn't know this about MAC foundation, if you you save your bottles and you bring in 6, you always get a free lipstick because they recycle.
Ooh.
So that's a good program. So I always get me, you know, it's a good way to try new lipsticks and stuff without having to commit with like purchasing it and you end up don't liking it. You know, that's trying to return stuff like that is hardly ever happens.
It's
So
looking good.
yes, just gotta blend this some more, child. Gotta get up in here close with the eyes, right up in here. I like that even tone. Like I said, I'm old school. I be watching some of the videos and you know they be just patting their life away, child. I got to get to the place.
I do pat my life away.
You pat your life away?
My hand be hurting by the time I'm done patting. Well, I call it beating. It's called beating now because you like breaking your wrist or beating your
I'm
face.
using the dark loose powder. It's my finishing powder.
Okay. And turn towards the camera real quick.
Just want to lightly brush that in.
Okay, guys.
And so now you should have you an even looking face.
Ooh.
Gotta fix my brows. I don't like the big archy ones that everybody's doing. I swear I don't. I'm truly old school, okay? I don't know. It looks good on some people. Some people just be having eyebrows that's like 5 inches long. They look like crazy werewolves. I don't know what's going on. Really make me a natural brow. I do not like the big eyebrow thing that everybody's doing. I know that's supposed to be popping. Somebody did it on me and I looked stupid. So we're not doing that.
There you have it.
I gotta get my brushes together. So for the eyeshadow, by Milani, I got the salt and pepper.
Put it a little closer.
The Hot, Cool,
Little
and
closer.
Vicious.
Ooh, beautiful.
Yes. I had to kind of accent some stuff. Won't be a little natural, but
So that's the outer corner?
this is the outer corner. This is the outer lid I'm doing.
Alright.
I'm just going in there and patting it because it's all going to get blended. I have small eyes, so I usually go.
Turn and face me.
I got small eyes, so I put the darker eyeshadow on the outside and the lighter on the inside, and it makes my eyes pop open. And so my eyes look bigger than what they actually are. Because that's what makeup is for. Like when I was learning how to put on makeup when I took a class, cosmetology class, in high school in Germany, that's how we were taught. You know, so it's not a real dramatic thing I'm doing.
So what's the second color?
I'm using this right here. I think it's like a little salmon color.
Okay.
I got a lot of red on.
And is that in the middle, inner?
This is on the
Alright, and that's how it looks so far?
And I'm going to use our last color. It's like a little champagne. Just to give it a little accent to wake up the eye.
And that's the inner top corner?
This is the inner corner, and it's going to go all the way up to my brow, and it's going to blend in.
Okay. And turn towards me when you're ready.
Wait a minute, not ready. Because I got to put it on first, and then I'll blend it. So, you know, I'm working it out, child. I'm working it out. And I'll take a little blender brush right here, and this is where the magic happens. Okay.
All right, moving forward. What's next?
Milani lipstick, lip liner, and the lipstick. Push it. This is from the Salt and Pepper collection. And then once I apply the liner, and this is going to be really red. I don't usually wear really red, but you're going to see.
Lip liner.
And this is really, really red. And there you have it. The Salt and Pepper Pusher collection with the Royalty Icon lashes. Luxurious.
And the lash style is Lovely Rose, guys.
It is the Lovely Rose style, which is my first. These are my first big lashes, so hopefully they pop. I'm going to go out there and show the world what it does. And I'll see y'all later.
And the link will be in the description. Thanks for tuning in today to catch another Icon special. Thank you for coming to hang out with me and my moms. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell, and leave a comment, please. Tell me what you think about the Get Ready with me, about the lash application. Any suggestions you guys have for applying lashes even easier, that would be great. Thank you.
Thanks for having me, Taji.
Thank you, Mom. And cheers to a good video.
We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on.